Welcome back. Once you have completed your video, there are several sites that you can upload and share your video, where it's possible you may get traffic from your existing network or from the platform itself. The largest video sharing site that you can share your video with is going to be YouTube, and all you'll need to do is to have an account and you'll be able to upload your video from this area. You can also upload your video to LinkedIn, and if you go to the posting area, all you'll need to do is to click this button, then select the video you're going to share, which you can grab from your hard drive. You can also share your video direct to Twitter. And what you can do here is you can upload your video here in this area where you have media available. You can share your video to Facebook. You can either share your video to your personal timeline, although this is not encouraged if it's not going to be of benefit to your entire friends list. However, if you do have a Facebook page, you can post your video to your Facebook page where others have liked your page. And if you have a Facebook group, you can post your content inside your Facebook group to the individuals that have joined your group to get more of your content. You can also post your video to video sharing sites such as TikTok or Instagram. Now, these two sites rely on vertical videos, and although you can post widescreen videos, you'll be able to use more of the platform if you have a vertical form video. And in the next video, we'll demonstrate how you can take that same PowerPoint content and change it into vertical content. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.